So subsection C. And the topic is exclusion. It was explained in the chapter 1 that only the creation of the letter of the figure is considered writing. Placing together several previously written letters to form a word is not considered writing and is permitted. So we discuss this game of what's the game? Scrabble, right? Scrabble. when you put letters next to each other, is it considered writing? We said it's not considered to be writing, but still Scrabble is not allowed to play on Shabbos because of the different reasons. I think we said before, because people usually would write down the score. Okay, so that's the issue. So again, so if you have a letter and if you have a word and all of the letters are separate, if you separate these letters, there is no problem, right? So it's not like you're erasing. It is similarly true that only elimination of the existing mark is considered erasing. Separating, right, attached letters is not considered erasing. So even though it is true, before we start separating, it was a word, right? And now you remove one letter, so it no longer that word, so it's not considered to be erasing. So only when the people do something to one specific letter. Thus, it is permitted to cut a cake between the letters of the word written on a cake, right? So that's the famous one. I mean, as we said before, Jewish bakery don't do that. Simply, I mean, they might write for you, but on a chocolate the plate or something, right? And stick it in, like do it nicely, because what if you decide, like for example, somebody had a birthday, it was a happy birthday cake, right? It was written happy birthday on the cake, and the birthday was on a Thursday. Guess what? They did not finish. They put it in the refrigerator. And now Shabbos, I want something sweet. And you have this cake. And guess what? If they would write on the cake happy birthday, so everybody needs to know how to cut between the letters. Okay. Does everybody know to cut between the letters? I mean, religious people know, but I hope. Okay. However, as explained in chapter 1, attaching molded letters to the base is considered form of writing. It follows that separating molded letters from the base of the form is a form of erasing. Thus, it is forbidden to pull individual chocolate letter off the cake. Okay, so let's do this piece again, and we're going to explain. Moreover, as explained in chapter 1, attaching molded letters to the base is considered to be a form of writing. So now when they attach to a base, so without base there is no problem. They just lay together, right? It follows that separating molded letters from the base is a form of erasing, right? Erasing. So meaning, if they, he said the chocolate letters. I don't know. Pre-made. I mean, even chocolate word. Maybe they made it in the mold or something. So if they just separate only this one letter or the whole word from the top of the cake, leaving all of the cream intact, so that's what would be the issue. Right, so it would be in some sense of erasing. Thus, it is forbidden to pull individual chocolate letters off the cake. So, I mean, if they put it separately.